aggressive saltiness. Salty, sour, bitter. This hits in order. Salty, sour, bitter.
During our trip to Oxford, we couldn't resist trying the breakfast buffet. We'll share the rest of our Oxford adventures in a few future vlogs. So, for now...
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're taking you to the hotel breakfast buffet. We decided to taste everything we could find at the buffet.
Oh, oatmeal. This is like cup noodle.
Yeah.
But British style. Toast. Let's try the waffle machine.
So firstly, push to fill. To fill. Make a pancake, make a pancake, bake a pancake, bake a pancake. 1, 2. Good.
Okay.
So,
Ooh, fluffy. Bacon is quite thick.
Yes, this is breakfast bacon.
Whoa. Yeah. So fold it or?
No, just... I think I once told you about HP sauce. Similar to tonkatsu sauce.
Ah.
Try it. This is HP sauce.
Mm.
Staple in British cuisine. Similar to tonkatsu sauce, right?
Yeah. Is it vegetable?
It's fruity, salty.
Yeah, fruity, salty.
Umami, sour. Let's soften the butter.
Huh? I never saw that way of softening butter.
Breaking up the molecules and movement creates heat.
Yeah, but you can mix it here.
No, then you need to ruin your toast. Softening in the packet.
I thought, yeah. Oh.
Then
I never tried this way. Oh. Ooh. I never saw any person trying this way.
Now it's nice and malleable.
Uh-huh.
Not ruining my toast with holes.
I'll try myself.
No holes in my toast.
Oh, this way. I love it too. Spread it. Oh, yeah. 오, 이렇게 하는 거구나. I have so many holes.
You used to have holes in the toast?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's disgusting, right?
Yeah.
This is far superior. So, try some marmalade. Not Marmite, but marmalade.
Marmalade.
Have you ever tried Marmite?
Marmite?
Marmite.
Huh? Marmite. What's Marmite?
I need to make you try it then.
Marmite?
Marmite.
No. I heard of it, but...
They have small portions here. I'll go get a small portion. This is...
Isn't it...
Marmite. Love it or hate it.
I heard it's... Australia sauce.
Australians call it Vegemite. This is Marmite.
I saw some YouTube creators trying it and feels disgusting.
So it's love or hate.
It looks like chocolate spread.
Try it first before I finish spreading it.
Yeah. I can feel aggressive saltiness.
Aggressive saltiness.
Yeah. And sour. Salty, sour, bitter.
Salty, sour, bitter.
Salty,
Two more.
sour, bitter. That's all. There's no sweet.
No sweet.
Salty, sour, bitter. This hits in order. Salty, sour, bitter.
So, you like or you don't like?
I think I'm gonna like it, but not now.
The only thing, iconic breakfast, that is not on the menu here, It's fish fingers on toast.
Fish.
Fingers on toast.
Fish has fingers?
Fish stick.
Fish stick.
Fish coated in the crispy fried batter on top of toast.
So, fried fish. Fish schnitzel.
Kind of.
샌드위치. 아, 그렇게.
Bread, butter, fish finger.
Geometric mathematics room. 근해 공식. Elliptical. 차차차차. And the clocks are, so many clocks are here, but none of them is not working. Stopped.